Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 3b. Each question bears 3 marks. So the first question is solve the given simultaneous equation graphically where first equation is x plus y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 plus x. So first of all we are going to write here the first equation x plus y is equals to 5. We have to make a chart here. X, Y, X, Y. Now we know x plus y is equals to 5. Then if we consider x is equals to 0, then we get the value of y is equals to 5. Means 0 plus y is equals to 5. We are going to write here. If we consider x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 5. 0, 5. Next, if we consider x is equals to 2, then what is the value of y? So 2 plus y is equals to 5. Y is equals to 5 minus 2, then y is equals to 3, positive 3. If x is equals to 2, then y is equals to positive 3. 2 and 3 are the point. Next, if we consider x is equals to 4, then what is the value of y? X is equals to 4 plus y is equals to 5. So y is equals to 5 minus 4 and y is equals to positive 1. If we consider x is equals to 4, then y is equals to 1. So the point are 4 and 1. Next, if we consider x is equals to 5, then 5 plus y is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5 minus 5 means y is equals to 0. If we consider x is equals to 5 then y is equals to 0, the points are 5 and 0. Next, they have given y is equals to 5 plus x. So we are going to write here y is equals to 5 plus x. Again we are going to make a chart. X, Y, X, Y. So if we consider x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 5. 0, 5. If we consider x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 6. If we consider x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 6. The points are 1 and 6. If we consider x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 5 plus 2, 7. So we are going to write here. If we consider x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 7. Means 2 and 7 are the point. Again, if we consider x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So if we consider x is equals to 3 and y is equals to y is equals to 8. If we consider x is equals to 3, then y is equals to 8. So the point are 3 and 8. And you have to plot this point and this point on a graph, and I have already teach about the points how to plot on a graph in linear equation graphical method. Now we are going to discuss about the second question. Ajay is younger than Vijay by 3 years. The sum of their ages is 25 years. What is the age of Ajay? Now see here, they have told Ajay is younger than Vijay by 3 years. So we are going to consider x and y years of Ajay and Vijay. Age of Ajay is equals to x year and Vijay's age is y year. We have considered it. According to first condition, Ajay is younger than the Vijay by 3 years. Then we know that Vijay is equals to y. Then Ajay is x. Means they have told Ajay is younger than Vijay. Means y minus x by 3. So is equals to 3. Example, if we have to make it proper equation, then minus x plus y is equals to 3 according to first condition. We get an equation minus x plus y is equals to 3. Now according to second condition, sum of their ages is 25 years or 25, means x plus y is equals to 25. This is the equation number 2 according to second condition. They have told the sum of their ages is 25, means x plus y is equals to 25. Now we get the equation minus x plus y is equals to 3 and x plus y is equals to 25. Now we are going to write this equation minus x plus y is equals to 3 and x plus y is equals to 25. So first of all we are going to add this equation. We get plus x minus x get cancelled, which is the age of Ajay, plus y is equals to 2y is equals to 28. As we know, y is the age of Vijay. So we are going to calculate the age of Vijay, 28 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are 28. So Vijay's age is 14 years and we have to find the age of Ajay. So we are going to substitute the value of Vijay's age in equation 1 or equation number 2. We are going to substitute the age of Vijay in equation number 2. So the equation number 2 is x plus y is equals to 25. X plus y is equals to 25 and we get y is equals to 14. Means y is equals to 14. We are going to substitute this value. X plus 14 is equals to 25. Then x is equals to 25 minus 14. Then x is equals to 25 minus 14 is equals to 11. Means in question they have asked to us what is the age of Ajay. So the Ajay's age is 11 year. The age of Ajay is 11 year because we have considered that x is the age of Ajay. Or else you can solve this example in second way. Means we are going to discuss that method also. Suppose we have considered the age of Ajay is x year. Age of Ajay is equals to x year. Then Ajay is younger than Vijay by 3 years. Means we can write Vijay's age is equals to x plus 3 years. Then according to second condition they said x plus 3 is equals to 25 years. Means we have written here the age of Vijay and age of Ajay. X plus 3 is equals to 25 years. Then what happens here? X plus x becomes 2x. 2x is equals to this 3 gets subtracted over here. So 22 means x is equals to 22 upon 2 means it is equals to 11. 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So again we get the value of x, or the age of Ajay is equals to 11 years. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Now question number 3. Solve by Cramer's rule 3x minus 4y is equals to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equals to 5. If we are going to solve this equation by Cramer's rule, we have to compare them with a standard form. So the standard form of equation according to Cramer's rule is a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2, and we get the equation 3x minus 4y is equals to 10. This is equation number 1, and 4x plus 3y is equals to 5. This is equation number 2. Means if we are going to compare this equation by this standard form and this equation by this standard form, we get the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So what we are going to do here, we are going to compare it. Means we get a1 is equals to positive 3. So we are going to write here a1 is equals to positive 3, a2 is equals to positive 4, b1 is equals to negative 4, b2 is equals to positive 3, c1 is equals to positive 10, and c2 is equals to positive 5. So we get the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So we are going to solve by its a Cramer rule. As we know, first of all we are going to write all the formula given by Cramer's rule or according to Cramer's rule. So here we have to find the value of x and y. First of all we are going to write d is equals to a1, a2, b1, b2, dx is equals to, means if you are going to consider about d, then we are going to cancel a1, a2 and we are going to write c1, c2 and b1, b2. dy y के कोऑर्डिनेट यहाँ पर कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. सो a1, a2 and c1, c2. As well as x is equals to dx by d and y is equals to dy by d. So this were the formula we have to use and we have to find the value of x and y. So according to first, we know the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 as well as c1, c2. Here the value of a1 is 3 and a2 is 4. So we are going to write here 3 and 4. We know the value of b1, b2, minus 4 and positive 3, negative 4 and positive 3. Now we are going to solve this determinant. Cross multiplication and difference between them means we are going to subtract both the product. 3 3s are 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4. So 3 3s are 9 minus 4 4s are 16. Means 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. The value of D is equals to 25. So we are going to write here value of D is equals to 25. Now the value of dx, we are going to find the value of dx. So we know value of dx is c1, c2, b1, b2. So we are going to substitute c1, c2, 10, 5, 10, 5 and b1, b2, minus 4, 3. Then 10 into 3 cross multiplication minus 4 into 5. So 10 3s are 30 minus 4 5s are 20 minus 20. Then 30 plus 20 is equals to 50. Means the value of dx is equals to 50. Value of dx is equals to 50. Now we are going to find the value of dy. Now we are going to find the value of dy. dy is equals to a1, a2 and c1, c2 is equals to 3, 4, 10 and 5. Because we know the value of a1, a2, 3 and 4, positive 4, and value of c1, c2, 10 and positive 5. So cross multiplication 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. According to BODMAS, first we are going to multiply 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Again minus 14 and plus 15 is equals to minus and the sign of bigger number. So minus 25. The value of dy is equals to minus 25. So we are going to write here. Okay, we are going to write on next page. D is equals to 25, positive 25, dx is equals to positive 50 and dy is equals to minus 25. So we can find the value of x and y here, because d or else x is equals to dx upon d, means 50 upon 25 is equals to 25 ones are 25, 25 2s are 50. So the value of x is 2. Value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to dy by d. Then minus 25 upon 25. So 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. So y is equals to minus 1. So we get the value x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1 by Cramer's rule. Now our second question, we are going to solve our next question, that is question number 4. Difference between the two number in 3 is 3. and the sum of 3 times the bigger number and 2 times the smaller number is 19. Then find the numbers. We have to calculate the numbers which they have considered. As they have told us, difference between two number is 3. Means let us consider two number is x minus y, because they have told difference. So x minus y is equals to 3 according to first condition. But they have told that the sum of 3 times the bigger number and 2 times the smaller number is 19. Means we are going to consider bigger number as x and smaller number as y, because we get the difference in positive form, so the bigger number should be x. So we are going to consider bigger number x and smaller number y. According to second condition, they have told the sum of 3 times the bigger number, 3 times the bigger number and 2 times the smaller number, and sum they have told about the sum is equals to 19. Then we have to find the value of x and y. So as we know that they have told, then find the numbers. So we are going to find the value of x and y. We get equation number 1 and equation number 2. But we are going to multiply equation number 1 by 2 because we need 2y. We are going to use here elimination method, means we are going to eliminate the term of y over here. Means we are going to multiply equation number 1 by 2. Multiplying equation number 2 1 by 2, we get 2x minus 2y is equals to 2 3s are 6. So this is equation number 3. Now we are going to add equation 2 and 3. So equation number 2 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 19, and we are going to add it 2x minus 2y is equals to 6. So 19 plus 6 is equals to 25 plus y plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 3 plus 2 5x, means x is equals to 25 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So we get the value of x is equals to 5. Means the bigger number is equals to 5. Then we are going to substitute this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x minus y is equals to 3. Means we know x is equals to 5. We get the bigger number x is equals to 5. Then we are going to substitute it 5 minus y is equals to 3. Then minus y is equals to 3 minus 5. Then minus y is equals to minus 2. Then y is equals to 2, positive 2. So the smaller number is 2. Means the difference between bigger number and smaller number is 3. So according to that condition, the bigger number is x and the smaller number is y. Now in our next video, we are going to solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as well as 11. So thank you friends for watching my video.